Oh, hello there, everyone. Today, let's talk about the function, okay, in JavaScript. They are blocks that perform a task. It's defined once, but may be executed or invoked any number of times, okay? This is very useful because they are reusable, easy to understand, make it the code easy to understand, and save time by writing less line of code. Okay. First of all, uh, are you wondering? Okay, how do we write function? Okay, there are two steps. The first one is you have to define the function. Okay, to declare the function, and the second one we need to call it to actually execute the function, to run the function. Okay. First step, to define the function, okay, the syntax is the keyword function in purple, okay, followed by the name of the function, the name you want to name, okay, function name. After that, we need to put the parentheses, okay, and add the curly braces where we have the body of the function, the logic we need to write inside of the function, okay? Fine. After that, the second one is to actually uh, call the function. It is necessary because we can define the function, but if we don't call it, it won't run, okay? Fine. Okay, the functions and parameters, okay? Here, we need to put the parameters, okay? They are like inputs like work as local variables inside the function and modify their behavior, okay? They're not accessible from outside the function, okay? The invocation provides the values or argument for the function parameters. Okay, here we put the arguments that from which the parameters are going to work. Okay, don't forget to put the arguments because we can have undefined results. Okay. Okay. Finally, we got a practical exercise where we need to follow the step 1, like declare the function, and the step 2 to call the function. Okay, we can enter the parameters, okay, define the function without running it to see what happened, and try to forget an argument. Okay, and finally exit the program. Okay, first of all, let's create a new program, let's say cooking.js, okay? That's fine. And let's create an HTML file like cooking HTML. Okay. Where we can put like cooking let's cook at the end of the body the script, okay, and the source cooking.js. Control save. Console log connected. I will just open the browser. Okay, let's cook. Inspect the element. connected. Fine. So, first of all, get rid of here. First of all, let's go to the first step, define the function, okay? We put function, the name of the function is, say, cook, okay? The parentheses, remember, and the curly braces. Okay? Let's try out like in the body, like console.log. We are cooking. Okay? We are cooking. Here, we don't need to put the semicolon as we are not declaring this function as a variable. Okay? Control save. Let's try it out in the browser. Refresh. We don't get anything, okay? Why? Just because we are not calling the function yet. So the second step is to don't forget to call the function. Control save. Let's check it out, refresh. Okay, we're cooking. That's fine. So, as we said, we need to put the first step is to define the function. Okay? And the second step is to actually run it. Okay? As always. That's fine. Now, let's say we are cooking something, okay? Okay, so let's put some, like, for example, meal. Okay? Let's say we're cooking a meal. And this here, we just put like cooking, we add space here, and a meal. Okay, we put here as a parameter just accessible from inside the function, the meal. Okay, and now to complete it, we need to pass an argument like pizza. Okay, control save. Let's try it out. Pizza is not defined. Okay, so let's see what's happening. We need to say that here is control save, and voila, we're cooking pizza. Okay, now if we want to pass multiple parameters, okay, it's easy. So we just need to, for example, let's say we're going to cook meal, but not today, but tomorrow or whatever. Okay, meal, and let's put as a second parameter day. Okay, here we need to print we're cooking meal, okay, plus space, of course, plus day. Okay, meal and day. And here it matters the order. Okay, it doesn't matter the content, but the order. So meal, pizza, and day, let's say tomorrow. Okay, let's say refresh the browser, and that's fine. That's the way we pass arguments and parameters there. if we forget to pass the argument, for example, we got two parameters, control save, we try to refresh, we got the undefined. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. The functions are very powerful stuff in JavaScript. We can make a lot of things with this. We can combine functions. We can have nested functions. Functions are functions. So it is indescribable the power of the functions in JavaScript. We can do multiple stuff. We can reduce the time of coding, and of course the time of response and the efficiency of the code just by writing good functions. Okay, so let's see in another video. Bye bye.